Alright, so we got our wire here. Yep, our wire. So, anyways, I'm gonna get some wire here. I lost my plastic piece that goes to this, so it's stuck in there now. Maybe it'll stay like that until I pull on it to get more. Anyways, got our wire. So yeah, we're gonna get our stuff over here. Oh, come on. One of these on there. Put one of these little ones on. Put one of these on. So we got them on there. Alright. So set this back out of the way for right now. Got the clasp. No lobster claws. So how we do? Actually, I'm going to use these as my crimpers this time. I'm going to slide down a little bit. Crimp that bead. Crimp the other one. There. Alright, got them all crimped down on there. Are we good? In just a second. Get the light down here a little better. Alright, so what we got here? We got her crimped and crimped. I couldn't have done another better job. There's nothing to cut off. I just gotta make sure it's good. There we go. Uh-oh. Oh. There we go. So we got her on there. Alright. So we're going to get our